Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to change the language of your Google Maps. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So you will simply open your Google Maps. At the top search, at the top corner there is your profile. So you will simply tap on your profile icon. So here you will simply go to your settings. Here you will tap on first app language. So these are the languages which you want to change. So if you want to turn it into Urdu, you will simply tap on it and you will simply tap on OK, and the language is being changing. So this is the simple process of changing your Google Maps language. So it will take a little while when it's changing the language, and the language has been changed. If you then change to a default, you will simply tap on English and you will tap on OK. So the language will be changed and it will restart. So this is the simple process of changing your language on Google Maps. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.